Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we are doing the finding of greatest common factors, and what's the method are we doing? So that would be here. So we are using the ladder method, and in another word we'll also consider the division method. So some you have seen like maybe the ladder one, some you have seen the division. So basically both of them works almost the same thing. So let's discuss further. So, what is a ladder method and how do we process it? So, to find the greatest common factor of any two numbers using the ladder or the division method, we have to start by determining the prime numbers that can be divided evenly with both the numbers. So, if you're having any two numbers, you have to start with thinking about a prime number which divides both of them. Clear? Now, we have to write down that number on the side and continuing by dividing each side as it goes further till the end, we get no same numbers for the division. So, what I meant by that, let's see further. Okay, so let's have an example on that. So, the use of ladder method to get the GCF of 27 and 36. So, let's see how we'll get that. Right here, we are having two numbers. So we'll start making this ladder kind of thing as we have made right here. As you can see, this is like a ladder which goes further. And next to that, we'll start it by writing the number as it mentioned. So as we started with this one, that is 27 and 36 that we need. So the smallest prime number which would be divided by both of them evenly, that would be considered 3. Yes. 27 divided by 3 we gives 9, and 36 divided by 3 that would gives us 12. Now, can we do it further? Does 9 and 12 also divided by any single number? So, and that would be prime. So that's again 3. And if we divide further, that would be 3 and 4. See? But now can we find out any prime number that would be divide both 3 and 4 evenly? So let me think. Nah, we can't. So right here, the numbers that we get in the side, that is 3 and 3, that would be considered the GCF. And how do we write it down? That would be whatever we got on the side, we'll multiply them together. So in the way, 3 times 3 equals to 9. So the GCF, that means the greatest common factor of 27 and 36 would be 9. See? Easy, right? Let's try one more question, one more example to see more further. So, right here, we are having another ladder method. And right here, we are using the number 36 and 20. We'll start with again. And do remember why we are using this method? Because there are very few numbers which we can't list all the factors. For pretty bigger numbers, so we're going to use this method because it starts with a shorter multiplication. So, right here, we'll see 36 and 120 both divided by the number with smallest and prime, it's 2 because both are even numbers, right? So right here, we'll start with dividing and that would gives us 18 and 60. Again, 18 and 60 both divided by the number 2 which gives us 9 and 30. And again then 3, it goes 3 and 10. And can we divide 3 and 10 evenly with any number? No, we can't. So right here, what will be our GCF? We'll multiply this, and these. The number which we divided, that would be 2 times 2 times 3. And what are we getting? Think about it. It's 12. So the GCF of 36 and 120 would be 12. And that's our answer. Clear? I hope you understood everything and it would be easy for you. So that would be it for today. Bye bye. Have a nice day.